this is Mohua Chatterjee. I have completed my Masters in Economics from Vishwa Bharati University, Shantiniketan, post which I joined the PGDM program at IMI New Delhi. And with keen interest in marketing, I completed my summer internship at Tata Motors Limited, Mumbai office at the sales and marketing headquarters. So my project involved conducting customer surveys to understand the customer journey, experiences and needs, and leveraging the data using analytics and statistical tools to propose recommendations and below-the-line marketing ideas. I also examined the competitors' communication channels for customer engagement innovations and developed PR strategies and also managed the media relations to increase the brand reputation. Being a fresher, this was my first corporate experience wherein I got to use the on-paper theories on-ground realities like the CRM, the 4Ps and the BCG matrix. Meeting with new customers, building new relationships and working in an integrated team helped me in sharpening my interpersonal and leadership skills. This corporate experience taught me that it's not always about what the customer says, but what he actually wants. Like actually having a conversation with them, questioning them, getting to know them in person helps the business to understand what are its views about the product and what the customer expects from the product in future.